toy.
Toy?
It is a toy.
You know how you like pee and poop? Nick? Nick, do you like pee and poop?
No.
You don't? You just talk about it a lot?
What do you use?
Nick, what is that?
Hold
Hold it out. Hold it out. He's like, what? I'm over there. Oh, no. Nick, what is it?
Eye.
It's an eye?
You know that.
There's an
They made that in the laboratory.
Eye.
Oh, yeah.
Is there anything else?
Oh no.
I gotta take more Lactin. This chair is in the way, my pictures.
Oh yeah.
Was there something else?
That's it. You stick it to the wall and you pee in it. Nick's like, ah.